Hello and welcome to our demo. In this video, we will download PuTTY and then use it to connect to an AWS EC2 server instance to create a virtual machine. Now the first thing we need to do is navigate to the PuTTY download page. Once you're there, select the appropriate package and click on the link to download it. Files created by PuTTY are known as PPK files. They serve as storage for the private keys the program generated. These files are used to enable communication securely with another party with the corresponding public key. Upon receipt or creation of the PPK file, be sure to save it to your hard drive somewhere safe where it will be easy to find and easy to get to. Once you've got it downloaded, let's go to the Start menu and launch PuTTY. In the PuTTY Configuration window, enter the host name of your server into the host name or IP address field. In the Category menu, expand the Connection category. Select Data and type the appropriate username into the Auto Login username field. If it's an Amazon Linux instance, the username will be ec2-user. If it's an Ubuntu server, your username will be Ubuntu. In the PuTTY Configuration window, expand the SSH category and select Auth. Click the Browse button and navigate to the PuTTY private key file that we discussed earlier. Hopefully you put it somewhere easy to find and click Open. So you're going to see a warning dialog pop up and ask you if you trust the selected host key. Click the Yes button. As you can see, you are now logged in to your virtual machine. Mission accomplished. So that's it, that's all. This is just a nice way to share virtual machine instances in meetings, classrooms, test cases, or whatever the scenario might be. We'll have more videos coming up that focus on creating and maintaining AMI instances with AWS connectivity. So stay tuned. Thanks for watching.